Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a very special pink charcoal, I'm so excited, pink charcoal teeth whitening kit review. So they sent this kit to me and it is so freaking cute. You guys know I love pink from my old freaking hairstyle. I'm so excited. This is the pink charcoal organic teeth whiteness. This is charcoal like powder, which I'm ready to get black teeth. Hi. And then this cute little toothbrush, which I'm like, hello, so cute. And then there is a night and day like toothpaste. So my teeth look like this. That's how they naturally look. There's a bit of from breakfast. Oh, yuck. Alrighty. So, it's time to brush my teeth. So, they said that it's best to use like the morning toothpaste, then use the, what do you call it? The morning toothpaste, then use the, this after the night toothpaste so it can like seep in overnight. So I'm excited to see how that goes. But let's unbox this one anyway. So this is the day one. Ooh, she's cute. Look at that. That looks so freaking cute. So brush, rinse, smile, and share. So that is it there. And I think it's a pretty good deal for $55 to get two like different toothpastes, a toothbrush, and the charcoal set. That's pretty good. And the night one is a nice black one, so that's really cute as well. So I wonder what both of them look like. I'm like, let's hurry up and have a look. Oh, so it's like a charcoal gel color. This is what the night one looks like. Oh my god, that's so freaking exciting. I was not ready for that. And then let's go for the filming on my vanity, but my bathroom in my house is much smaller than my old bathroom. Alrighty, and then what does the day one look like? Oh, the day one's like a pink one, look. That is so freaking cute. It's like very thick. Yes, love. Okay, so that's kind of, my sink is literally right here. I've wet my toothbrush, and I'll just kind of put some on here. Won't leave the water running. Hi, and then I guess we're just gonna brush our teeth. They look a little lighter, definitely a little bit. And the taste is not bad. It's not a bad taste. So, like, well, this one's definitely not anyway. Some, like, toothpaste that are whitening can be really, like, taste really yuck. This one actually tastes pretty good. And I think my teeth do look quite white, especially these two. Yes, ooh. So, yeah, that was the day one. So, let's get on to the nighttime one in a minute. So, I think what I've got to do now is do the last day, well, not the last day, but the next day, and kind of see how it pans out. And then, yeah, I guess you guys just let me know if you want me to keep doing this and see, like, the result of my teeth after all this time. Alrighty, so that is that all done there, and I think that they do look pretty white, so I'm like really stoked with that because I feel like they do definitely look whiter than when I started this. So I am excited about that because I want white teeth, bitch. Yes. So yeah, that is it there. So what do I think about the pink charcoal cocoa toothpaste, which is the day and the night and the, what is it? Let me open my little cupboard. So it is the day, night, and then the powder as well. What do I think of it? I think that it's amazing. I like it. It tastes good. It's not a bad tasting one. A lot of them don't taste that great. So the fact that it tastes nice is really a bloody bonus because it makes me real freaking happy. Because it's like my teeth are going to get white and it tastes good and there's a night and day. So you remember to brush your teeth at night and day. It's important. Math like, you know, you only one set of teeth forever unless you're rich and can buy veneers. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. What teeth whitening products have you guys used? Let me know in the comments down below. I've used a lot, and a lot have been a flop, and a lot have been good, and this is probably the best so far. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!